guys, so welcome to another tutorial. So what we will be doing today is something called the up and over method. Now this is a very simple design, and one of the key factors that you should take away from this video is that your fabric should be at least twice the size of your height of your pipe and drape stand. So let's say you're doing a 10-foot or a 10-feet stand. Your panels should be at least 21 feet. You need 10 for one side, 10 for the other side, and you should have for puddling at the base of your pipe stand. Alright? Now what I have done is that I have already wrapped my pole in the color of the fabric that I'll be using. One thing you should also remember is that all your stands, you should never ever see your poles. It should never be naked, guys. Alright, that's very important. That gives it a more polished look, a more finished look, and that is what you're going for, especially if you're looking for premium dollar. Alright, now what you can do is that you can use sheer fabric. Now sheer fabric is what this design is normally used for. This design, rather, what you can do is find the middle point of your fabric. Alright, so just as the name says, it's up and over. Alright, now you can use more than 2 panels. I'm just going to use 2 panels for the sake of this video, but guys, the more panels you use, the fuller your design will look. Alright? Alright. So, what you're going to do is that you are going to pleat your front panels to one side and your back panels to the other side. So, what you're going to do is that you are going to pleat your fabric. So just picture that you have a Big Mac, all right, and you have it like you know it's a Big Mac. So your hands are like this, and then you pleat. You pleat like you pleat. You use your stomach or your belly button. Now I am 5'8", so I'm going to use my belly button as my pleating mark, right? You need to stand directly where you would like your pleat to form. If you stand this way and you're supposed to be there, that is how your design is going to come out. It's not going to come out as you would like it to. Alright? So, let's get started with that. So the first thing you do is that you fold your... Alright, the first thing you do is that you fold the end of your panel inside, because you don't want to see, you know, any thread or anything on the outside. So you fold it in, and then you begin to pleat, 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 like a fluid movement, pleat. Alright? What I always do, guys, is that when I am designing a space, I always step back and look for any errors or spaces that need to be fixed. Alright? Now, next thing you're going to do is that you're going to puddle your fabric at the base of your pipe stand. from this point on, what you can always do is that you can actually put any embellishments on to hide your pipe cleaners. All right. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so very much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and as always guys, please continue to be safe out there. Have a blessed one.